This free tutorial will be showing you pausing Windows Update online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, circles and squares, I'm low-key getting tired of this, but hey, this is pausing the Windows Update, another tutorial. I got you. Go to the bottom left-hand screen, type in search, and type in Windows, space update, space settings. See what I did there? And click on that, Windows Update settings, which is the second option. Now basically, I have already paused the Windows Update, but if you don't have this, you can click this option. And basically, it's going to say check for updates. And well, we don't want to do that. We want to click pause updates for 7 days, which is below get the latest updates, and above change active hours. Pause updates for 7 days. Click that. Oh, whoops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Boom. Now, as you can see, we have paused the Windows updates, but a bonus tip is go below view update history and click on advanced options. And the last setting or option, pause updates, click the drop down arrow, scroll down and click the latest date, because you have successfully paused the Windows Update on your device completely for free up to 35 days.